dis tweede metingsom. En ek het hierdie figuur, diehoekige prisma, né? Nou, ons moet die totale buite oppervlakte uitwerk. Now, so we need to find the total surface area of this figure. The problem with this is, it depends on the triangle. My formula might differ. So ek hou nie van om hier 'n formule te gebruik nie. So what I tend to do is, ek gaan maak 'n net van hierdie figuur. So I try to draw a net of this. So it's like I'm opening up this figure on a flat surface. Now think of this. I'm going to open this figure up. Okay. Nou daar is my nonsies. Ek het hou oor doen. Kijk, so ons teken hou net. Okay. So this is like opening up this figure. Okay. En dan heb ik een triangle hier. En ek het 'n triangle hier. Okay. This last one is very out of scale. So dis nie baie goed geteken nie, het ek net gou mooi doen. Okay. So, I think you will all agree that as ek hierdie figuur vat en ek maak hom oop, this would be the result. The net will look like this. Okay, so what we need to find is we need to find the areas of, for a start, we need to find the area of this and this. Okay, en dis twee driehoeke. So hoe werk ons die oppervlakte van 'n driehoek uit? So die oppervlak van 'n driehoek, is gelyk aan half base times perpendicular height, half basis maar loodregte hoogte. Okay, what is the base? Kom ons merk gou vir ons. Hierdie is die base. So this would be the base. And the perpendicular height would be this piece over here. En dis my loodregte hoogte wees. Het ek alles? Ja, ek het, so we can do this. En onthou, so dis half, basis is 10, maar loodregte hoogte wat 12 is. So halve 10 is 5, 5 maal 12 is 60, so dis is centimeter times 2. Maar onthou, dis vir een driehoek, maar dan moet 2 wees. Okay, so die oppervlak van die agterste driehoek, so there's another triangle, same measurements, so this will also give me 60 square centimeters. Okay, so nou het ek hierdie twee driehoeke uitgewerk. Now I've actually got these two triangles. Okay, now I need to find the surface areas of these. Okay, so let's choose the middle one first. So dis die ene wat hier onder loop. So it's going to be, it's the bottom of this triangle. I'm going to try to, goes there till the back. Okay, so dis die onderkant van die driehoek. Okay, as ek die ding so moes geteken het, dan moes hy so gewees het. So something like that, it's the bottom part of it. Okay, so let's just, kom ek veeg al daai goed uit, dan is my driehoek net chaos. So let's just remove that. Okay, so we need to find the surface area. Well, it makes sense if I say this is obviously 80, maar hierdie kant is 10. So it probably makes sense because we're going to use this piece over here. That's the 80. And we're going to use this piece over here, which is the 10. Okay, so ons het een oppervlakte van dit. So ons werk gou daai oppervlakte uit. Die oppervlakte van die reghoek. Oppervlak van die reghoek is gelyk aan lengte maal breedte. So it's length times width or breadth. So it's 80 times 10. 80 times 10. That will give me 800. Is it 80? Yeah, it's 80. 800 cubed centimeters. So it's 800 kubieke centimeters, né? Ja, alles lyk reg op die oomblik. So at the moment I've got my two triangles. That's the results, and I've got my base, which is that result. Okay, nou moet ons gou hierdie uitvind. Uitfigure, kom ons maak hulle blou. So ons gaan nou hierdie ene doen en hierdie ene. and we just have to see if they equal in size, en hulle is. Imagine nou vir jou, sal dit sin maak dat hierdie, this piece, and then obviously the piece in the back would be exactly the same size, né? Omdat, hoekom is dit so? Want hierdie twee beentjies sê dit vir my. Okay, because of that. Okay, so in fact, we need this size here, or this size here. Ons het daai kante nodig. So hoe gaan ek dit kry? So we've got two of those areas. I need this size, this side. So I'm going to just take this all out to make it a bit clearer. So let's sin maak julle. Ek het hierdie sy nodig. So I need this side. I'm just going to draw this triangle, 12. Hierdie is 5 centimeters. So I just want to make sure that you can see where it's 5, because I'm just using this triangle over here. This is exactly this triangle, because I need to find this side. Okay, en we can use Pythagoras, omdat hierdie is opgedeel in 2, 5 centimeters en 5 centimeters, en obviously is daai 12 centimeters. So ons gaan gou Pythagoras gebruik. Pythagoras sê ons soek die skynsy. Kom ons noem dit maar net c kwadraat is gelyk aan die som van die ander twee. So Pythagoras says if we want the hypotenuse, we just need to square both sides and add them up. That's according to Pyth. And if you find c, then a space, but you'll see it's 13 centimeters. Just go and work it out. And because, let me just do it here, I don't have space, but let's just cram it in over here. Because what is 12 squared is 144, and 5 squared is 25, and if we add that up, that's 169. 169, but remember it's c2 to the power of 2, so I just have to square both ends to get to my 13. Now at least I know what the size is, 13. En nou kan ek hierdie oppervlakte uitwerk. Want ek het die lengte en breedte 13 mal 80. Okay, so we're just going to find the square of that. Oppervlak van die ander twee kante is lengte mal breedte. Lengte mal breedte is 80 mal 13. 80 times 13. Which gives us 1040 centimeters squared. Maar jy moet onthou, daar's twee van hulle, né? You have to remember there's two of them. There was one in the front, and then obviously there's one in the back as well, né? Okay, so there's two of them. Okay, so dis hierdie enetjie, en dan moet ek net nog enetjie doen. So kom ons add nog 'n oppervlakte. Hy gaan presies dieselfde wees, lengte maar breedte, en hy is ook 1040. Okay, so we've got all our side measured. Okay, and now we just need to do the total surface area. Totale buite oppervlakte. We're going to take the 60, and we're going to add the 60, and we're going to add this 800, and we're going to add this 1040, and we're going to add this 1040. Okay, en dit geef my 3000 kubieke centimeter. En daar is hy.